the channel, guys. Tonight you got me, Cam, Trevor, and Sean, and then I don't know if you can see Jacob back there in the mirror, but he's there in the Charger. Hey, where you join us tonight on the 150, or not the 115, the Mexican 115, and we're going to a car show in Mexican Ajax. Yes.
Good thing we're in Mexico.
And we're gonna make our arrival now. I'd say we're definitely in the right place. Now we just gotta find the boys because we lost them. So, we made it. This car's staying here. This car's staying here. This car's going in.
Sorry.
That wasn't as good. No, that was the second try, and it was reproduction never works. No.
Do you see the SV there?
Where's the SV? Where's the
hold on.
Micro SV. Micro SV, bro.
Dude, let's go find it.
It's right there.
It's right there.
Wait. Holy, no, that's an SR.
That's an SR.
Oh, that's
Idiot.
That's spec race, right?
Yeah.
Is that what that means? Spec race?
Not quite. That's no. I have the race car model.
Do you know how many Hyundai Genesis they sold? You can
all of them.
They're all here.
Just start counting. 1, 2.
Dude, the BRZ. Dude, check out these officers, though, dude. Dude, that's where it's at.
No, check out the underglow.
Oh. Underglow? No. I'm actually gonna download
think it's illegal now.
The underglow followed by the cop.
the
What a coincidence.
in green.
Place your bets. Do we find Chris first or do we find his truck first?
We'll find his truck first, and then about 3 seconds later, you hear Chris screaming from a distance.
Yeah, probably.
I still fell over because this fucking micro. Is that it?
He's got the plate.
Is this the same one? No way, it's not. This is not the same one.
Look at the plate.
Oh my god. That's hilarious. So Sean,
Yeah, what do you think of the new mods?
yeah?
Yeah.
Dude, we can get you help. It's possible. Like, we can help. Yeah, these things are super cool.
Yeah,
Supra in drag. Well, let's see. Let's confirm. You want to confirm?
2.5 GTT. No, this is a Soar. This is a Toyota Soar, so it's a 1JZ.
Okay, so would this be an imported car then?
Yeah, this would be an
Oh yeah, it's right-hand drive.
Yeah. Same
That's
body, but
sweet.
imported.
That's so sick. Sean to the cop. Has it? Who's got it? That's Chris. That's gotta be Chris.
Yeah, let's go there.
Chris.
Chris is over.
Call him and tell him to honk it again.
Here, actually, Sean, come here. Let's call Chris. Let's see where he's.
Yo, does that destroy a grid?
Yo, buddy.
So where are you, buddy?
Were you honking the train horn?
Oshawa got shut down. MTO's crawling all over the place.
MTO?
Down.
We're at
Everywhere.
Cineplex in Ajax.
Yeah, they all moved here.
We all moved here.
Is it good?
There's
Man,
pretty good.
I've seen
A
5
lot of
BRZs.
cops,
It's
but-
great.
there's a lot of cops. We all parked kind of off to the side if you want to leave your truck there, although you should just come do a burnout.
I already did a burnout today.
Okay, well, there's room for more.
There's plenty of curbs to park on.
Yeah.
All right, I'll come for a bit because you boys are there.
Yeah, I was gonna say, come see us because we're here. Give Sean a big hug.
Okay, I'll come.
All right, see you, buddy.
All right, yeah. We're going.
We're going. Turns to the guy in the passenger. Right as I hang up, we're going. We're going.
a bit. We're going.
We're going. Oh my god. That was funny. We didn't even. He didn't even hang up. We're going.
Sean, there's a lot of cars here for you. Like,
Yeah, Sean, this is your meet.
Dude, TSX?
Ford Mondeo.
Sean, this would have
Let
been
me
your...
tell you, dude. Fucking man.
Sean's first car, and then...
Bonneville on camera yet?
Yeah, no, I haven't got this Bonneville on camera yet.
There's that yellow Mustang that was retarded loud.
Oh, yeah.
Like that? Like
Yeah,
that
yeah.
was close to being like that green one.
Oh, there's a Mach-E there,
Yeah,
too.
yeah,
That's...
Remember the red Mustang?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Town? That yellow one's not that far off.
Was
Really?
Very, very
I wanna hear it
loud.
start.
Very, very loud. No, like, trust me, properly loud. Almost Bonneville loud. Can we find the Teg Fire?
Two of them here?
We found the Tech Fire.
No, but we need to buy the Teg Fire.
Yeah, we did it.
What?
We as a group, we elected. That is the quietest train.
Yeah. Oh boy, he just said let her go. This is gonna be loud.
Oh God. That's how it
It's gonna
starts.
start. There it goes.
Yep. Do we run now, or does that look suspicious?
Well, no, let's go get the Bonneville right now.
Yeah, let's get some Bonneville two-step going.
The stereotype
Doesn't
really
sound
is
like that.
real when you talk about big trucks and train horns. Why do they all have them? Like, it's not even like
rip.
it's not even a stereotype. That's just
It's just facts.
I think it's factory installed. Like,
Yeah, you have
when
no
you buy the
choice.
lift kit, they send you the horns. Brandon, I found you a license plate.
What? What'd you say? Found me a license plate?
I don't think that can go in the video.
Can it? I don't know.
oh yeah,
I don't know, man.
You're not monetized to actually be.
I don't know.
Oh, dude, there's two Bullet Mustangs here. There's that one over there.
It is a Hemi.
Is it a Hemi?
Yeah, it is.
Dude, I got a semi.
Also, these V6s have been revving for like literally 10 minutes, and it's the most annoying thing.
Yeah.
It's a Hemi.
Yeah, and I got a semi.
The V6s won't stop, but we've found a Huracan. I think it's an Evo rear-wheel drive. Yeah, Evo rear-wheel drive.
Go in the middle of the fucking thing so there's a red metal.
Brayden, I have something far more interesting than this. There's a Mazda B3000 and there's a mannequin's leg holding the hood open. So
Yeah, that matters.
Right,
yeah,
yeah.
that's far more interesting than this. Let's go.
Then a V10 supercar?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Yeah, dude.
I'll catch up with you.
All right, sounds good. You guys are stuck. Just so you know, you're stuck here with me. I'm not stuck here with you. Yeah, checks out mannequin's leg, holding it up. Oh, I was wrong. It's a B2300. My bad. But yeah, in case you didn't believe me.
What does it say?
Shit calorie count.
You can add one for mine. I said you can add one for mine, and Buddy goes and does it.
Dude,
that is such a good
That's so funny.
That's hilarious.
A Huracan right here, and then right over here is a Mazda. What was it? B3000.
A B2300 with a mannequin's leg holding the hood open. I'm just gonna say it. There's a lot more with Huracans than there are
look.
Mazda pickups with legs holding the hood open. Like,
What the heck?
this is a one of one.
That yes, all of that.
Must be really excited doing that. There's someone's being shot in Oshawa right now. They could be going to
Oh my God. We're now holding a spot for Jacob. Right here.
spot being held.
Right here.
This is the Bonneville spot.
Yeah. Sean, go get the Bonneville, right? Actually, no, you're not allowed to drive
like,
it.
dude,
Especially not
I
with
would
them.
immediately be arrested.
I was gonna say, wait, yeah, there's the cops right there.
I fucking love it.
Chris is here.
You gotta find reverse.
No, he's trying.
I know
Right?
his transmission broke.
There it is. I thought he did a whole exhaust. He just did the tip.
Just the tip. That's all you
Literally.
A full 90.
Full 90 degrees.
Dude,
Yeah, literally.
I'm telling you, that's all you need. Just the tip.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, buddy? How you been?
Good, how are you?
Good. Ripped the fucking chrome. Got back to the chrome grill.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so from this angle, we got a full exhaust, but then if we,
When
yeah.
he starts racing, look at all
Dude.
the weight reduction.
Dude, that's,
I
that's-
did the
that's
90
mint.
instead of the 45.
I got fucking toolbox now too, which
like
makes it look a little bit nicer.
Oh yeah, Band 1. That's, yeah, that's from, what's it called? Yeah, Smoking the Bandit. Yeah, but that's,
Hell yeah. He's got everything
Wow.
he needs. He has enough-
Somebody camped an Escalade.
I hope so.
Don't you worry.
oh my God.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Hi, Karen.
We got nice oil for it too.
Oh my God.
I'm ready for a full oil change. Look, we got
and
the
there's another
socket
one
set.
back
The
there.
Yo,
drain
look, he's
pan.
got a socket set in here. He's got an oil drain pan, boots, a shield.
He's got
Oh, this is the
like
girlfriend
trucks.
stuff.
Trucks are awesome.
That's not mine.
Yeah, we like trucks.
Oh my God, he has a ratchet strap too?
Oh, all of them.
Oh,
He's got
I
actually
gotta
half a
strap the
truck
bumper
back
on when it
here.
Falls off.
Is that a fuel pump, Chris?
Oh, that's the old one. That
Attaboy.
killed itself.
what'd you do?
No, that killed itself.
Uh-huh. What'd you do?
Bad gas.
What'd you do?
The truth. We're gonna get to the truth eventually. Either that or come.
30-year-old truck, so.
What'd you do?
So, anyways, in the middle of donuts.
And the front diff.
No, the front diff was good.
Oh, okay.
It was the rear diff that went.
Too many
She did the front wheel drive mod.
Yeah, it was front wheel drive for a while.
For a while. Do it again. Go, 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 go. I don't have anything to say actually. I just turned the camera on because it was neat. But a lot of cars turned out though. And then our cars, well, Jacob brought his Chargers right there, but then the other two cars were parked way over that way. And then if you guys remember this truck that I'm sitting on, it was in this video up over here in the corner where Chris and I took it out right after it rained, ran it through some like muddy puddles, ran it behind the airport. It was a lot of fun. Go watch that video.
GoPro, activate.
Still sounded really good though.
Yeah.
I love Huracans.
They're alright. They're okay.
They're really good. We should go guess the cop to rev. Just Sean, we'll go over there and give him a little bit of the.
Yeah, really.
No, we won't.
Someone have Taco Bell? Man, that guy had Taco Bell. Okay.
So Sean, maybe I need a C5. Maybe a C5, C6, one of the two. Chris, do that again. No, do it again.
No, he can't, dude.
My BRZ is better than anything you drive. Listen, I may drive a second gen. We're pretty cocky, but I will never be a BRZ owner.
That's going in, right?
Thank God. Oh, absolutely.
That's going
fucking lootly.
That's awesome.
Like,
oh, here we
see
go.
him on the side of the road up there, but I don't even care. I won't.
Here we go.
Do the Mustang thing. No, don't do the Mustang thing. Don't do the Mustang.
Stand away from the road.
Stand behind the pole.
I'm by the pole. I'm by the pole. It's okay. Oh! Whoa! I thought he was going right into the curb. I thought he was going right in the curb.
So shit face.
Yeah. Okay, let's.
This one's loud, allegedly.
Yes. Allegedly.
Yeah, you haven't heard it
Fucking
yet?
Oscar. Allegedly.
Yeah, it's not quiet.
Not quite.
Can you confirm I'm not getting pulled over tonight?
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Dude, that Mercedes.
V6 Challenger. V6 Challenger.
V6 Challenger?
Bro.
V6 Challenger.
Don't say that.
Was he?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you was
That was sending it? Yeah, yeah. Okay, I wasn't sure.
Yo, light up the yummy.
Woo! Open the valves!
Whoever gets the ladies, I tell you.
To burnout!
Chris, are you gonna drive right over the curb?
That truck looks like it could run over that Mitsubishi. Chris, go over the curb! Go over the curb! Over the curb! Bonneville two-step?
Bonneville two-step.
No, it's not warm at all. Oh my god. They're both down here, Cam. They're both down here, Cam. Cam.
It was the Charger, right?
Literally, they're right here.
Check the license, man. My last name is Children.
We're good.
No, no, no. Get out.
That's a
So you never had an
supervisor.
exhaust ticket before.
drive. That ain't
Fuck
right.
that.
Yeah.
That's well over 100.
That's
Oh,
got
yeah. That's close. That's over 100.
it. Dude, she'll win any rev off.
Now that Durham region.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Mine's louder. Go
I
do
can feel it over here.
Go do mine. Go do mine. Bring it up to the two-step. Oh my
No, definitely. Let me take the glass back off.
Oh, it gets a saw.
There goes Chris. Jacob's already there. All right, boys. Yeah, boy.
That's my boy. No 6 grand two-step. What's wrong with this thing in the best way possible?
All right, I don't think anybody is going to be ready for this. First real car meet, kind of car meet. Yeah, car meet of the season, car show. More of a car meet. Chris was out tonight. We haven't seen him in a long time. So Chris, it was great to see you, bro, whenever this goes up. It was great to see you, man. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like that sort of video of the boys and I kind of meeting up, going to a show, kind of walking around, talking, cracking jokes, shit talking. Let me know what you think about that. If you like it, let me know down below. If you don't like it, you know, same thing. Let me know down below. I think it's over there. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Scully Productions. The car scene is literally like right around the corner and we're rounding that corner. So it's almost on top of us. It's almost here. Get ready for a great summer. Again, thank you for watching and don't forget to, as usual, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next episode of Scully Productions.